So what the Nature Conservancy did several weeks ago is shoot a poll in Texas to find out where Texans were as it relates to conservation issues. And one of the reasons we wanted to do this during a downturn is because we think that's a nice time to find out what people's real values are. One of the things that surprised us a little bit is the fact that Texans absolutely do not believe that there has to be a trade-off between the economy and the environment. In fact, 4 out of 5 Texans believe that those two things coexist. This is a lesson that's been learned all over the state, but to find that it's a deeply held individual value, we think bolsters the idea that now is the time for conservation in Texas. The other thing that we found that we thought was absolutely terrific for the state of Texas is that virtually everybody we talked to felt that they had a personal or moral obligation to do something. So conservation in a state like Texas that is big and as diverse as West Texas and the Gulf Coast is a complicated issue. What's neat about what we're finding is that people aren't pointing to someone else in order to solve this issue. People want to be a part of the solution in Texas. And what we found is the reason people feel so strongly about this is because they have a connection to the natural beauty in Texas. And what people want to do here is they want to protect that natural beauty, not for themselves, but for future generations of Texans. And regardless of whether you come at this from a conservative or a liberal perspective, if you're young or you're old, if you're a hiker or you're a hunter, the thing that binds us all together in Texas is that commitment to protecting the natural beauty of Texas for our children's children, regardless of how we get to that point. And we thought that that was a terrific set of results. It plays directly into how we work in Texas. We have 30 preserves in Texas, and in every single place we work, we extend our efforts to landowners and communities that surround us so that we can extend the conservation area where we're working into the communities around us.